Hey, it's Aaron of Square Thunder. This is episode number 44 of Fast Logo Friday. Every week, I design a logo based on a random weird word. And yep, today's Christmas, so Merry Christmas, or Happy whatever you happen to celebrate, or nothing at all. Whatever the case is, I hope you take some time over the next few days to be grateful and to love those around you and enjoy lots of good food, lots of good drinks, and just have a great time. Today's word is Decadist. D-E-C-A-D-I-S-T. Yeah, Decadist. A Decadist could be an author who writes a work in either 10 parts or that's divided into 10 different decades, periods of 10 years. A Decadist could also be someone who is prejudiced against a particular decade. So if you said the 70s were a terrible time and everybody who came out of them is a moron, you might be a Decadist. I came out of the 70s. I'm not a moron, so anyway, that's beside the point. The word Decadist comes from the Latin word decus, which is a set of 10. You're probably pretty familiar with different variations of the word deca. We have decade, we have decimal, we have decimeter. There's lots of words that incorporate that Latin root word in it. And ist is a suffix that we add to words to describe someone who practices a certain thing, like a psychiatrist practices psychiatry, or someone who uses a particular device, like a bicyclist uses a bicycle, or someone who engages in a particular activity, like a terrorist engages in terror, or an artist, art. Or we use the suffix ist to describe someone who subscribes to a particular ideology or a doctrine. So you might have a Baptist or a Marxist or an idealist, an environmentalist, a sexist, a racist, or a decadist. Today I'm using the word Decadist to design a logo for some candy cane liqueur. I think I know roughly where we're going to go with this. I'm probably going to use the Roman numeral for 10, which is an X. It's easy, low-hanging fruit for us on the design side of things. Look at a few different font variations and way to handle the text. And I think I know more or less what the color palette's going to be. We're going to look for green and red and white and some stripes probably, and see what we can come up with. Like usual, I'm going to start by sketching some rough ideas, then we'll move into Illustrator, refine one of those a little further, and then put together a few mock-ups to see what it will look like. So let's see what we can come up with. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. This has been episode number 44. Next week is going to be the last episode of the year, and that's just mind-boggling for me. But hey, here we are, a year later. Anyway, we'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome, stay safe, stay kind. Merry Christmas.